Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to send WhatsApp bulk messages using CSV file. Let's start. Click to get started for free and here just install the extension, add to Chrome, add extension, install done. Now you can pin the extension from here, extension, click the icon or just go to web.whatsapp.com. Now you see here the WhatsApp bulk message sender icon. Just click here and then you can see this interface and here click to upload CSV file. So now you can upload your CSV contract list from here. You can check the sample file from here. Click to download sample file and here I have just saved the some names and contract number as a sample. Download file and download at CSV. Download. Okay, done. Now click here and select your contract list and here select your WhatsApp number column. Here I have added numbers under the column mobile, so I need to select as the WhatsApp number column mobile. Now you can set the column range from here. So if you want to send all, don't need to set anything. And here just type your message. Just I am sending a testing message and I want to set the name for the all messages. So I can insert the column name, insert. So here will be send the name per message and I want to send within the 15 second and it will anti spam. And if you want to send the attachment then you can check here and here you can also upload your attachment file. You can set any attachment here. So I don't want to send the attachment, just remove and uncheck here and just click to send messages. That's it. Here the important is the WhatsApp number column name. So you must need to select the numbers column. Okay. And check again. All is good. And then you can send messages. Okay, loading and messages is sending. You see here is loading. So thanks for watching. I hope you understand. Now you can send WhatsApp messages easily from CSV file. Thank you.